Howdy, I'm Sam Feifel with SparPointGroup.com. I'm here with Gary Farrow at ZNF. How you doing, Gary?
I'm very well, Sam. Thank you for asking.
Well, we are here at SPAR International 2011, and Gary, what's the sort of hottest topic of conversation? What are people asking you guys about the most right now?
I think at ZNF we do two things. We do the hardware, the 3D laser scanners, and we do software, LFM software. And customers are asking, okay, we think you've got great hardware and great software, but maybe we want to choose one of the other vendors' hardware or software, so how are you going to help us with that? So what we're trying to emphasize is we're completely neutral on the hardware. We'll take anyone's hardware data, and we're completely open on the outputs. We'll try and bring our software solution into Autodesk, Aviva, Bentley, whatever it might be. So I think they want to be able to have the confidence that as they go forward and make investments, they're not going to be sent down the garden path, as we might say in the UK, and they're going to be supported in whichever routes they choose. So that's what we're trying to do. Yeah,
that's a topic I've heard a lot, this desire for interoperability.
Yeah.
And we heard Brian Matthews say we need a standard. Where do you think that's going? Are we coming into a place where there will be open standards? Do you think it'll shake out into 3 or 4 standard platforms? Where do you think that's going?
I think we've always been very, very keen to handle the data in absolutely the best way that we can. So we work with phase-based scanners. We design our own proprietary formats to handle that data very, very well. And I think there's always going to be a place for that kind of little niche where you have a customer that's used to using that, wants to use the data in a certain way. But I think obviously there'll be an underlying openness between all the different vendors to make sure that, as I said before, people don't get marginalised and taken down one route. Sure. I think the important thing for us is to remember we've got our own special kind of trade secrets. We've got our own technology, infinite core technology, for example, that handles massive data sets, underlined with the bubble views on top of that. So we know we've got strengths, but we can't sell every bit of software to every single customer, so we'll support them underneath.
Sure. So looking forward 12, 18 months, this is a very innovative market. What do you see coming down the pipeline, and what are you guys trying to make sure that you're on top of?
Well, I think we've listened a lot about convergence, so I think there's going to be a lot of convergence between the mobile solutions and the static solutions, and we're going to position ourselves so that we can kind of have a hybrid approach of working with the data from either set. I think it's very, very important for us. We're trying to build the best quality software, the best quality hardware that we can, and what we need to make sure that we do is we keep delivering on that. I think what we've got really within our technology is a real survey instrument, and that's where we're going to focus our attention. There is great technology out there that kind of makes it more available to the masses, as it were, but we're going to position ourselves to be a real quality survey instrument, and that's what our customers that we work with now are asking us for.
Great. Well, Gary, thanks so much for being here today. I appreciate it, and we'll be interested to see what you guys have next year too.
It's always good to come to SPAR. We always try and save our best products and release them just in synchronization with SPAR. So we'll have more stuff at SPAR Europe, and we'll have even more stuff at SPAR next year in Houston.
Terrific. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Sam.
It's good seeing you.
Cheers.